Hello mga palangga! Today we are in Lauterbrunnen and first what we will do, we will go up to Gimmelwald, ride the cable car up there and we will be walking towards Mürren, so come and join us. So mga palangga, we are in Gimmelwald and we are going to walk to Mürren. So this is the map behind us, behind me. This is what we are going to follow. So let's have a hike. So guys, we are hiking a lot. We are now in Scenic. Small waterfalls. Guys, it started to rain, but we still need to walk towards Mürren a couple of minutes more. But this is our view now. Guys, we reached Mürren. It's raining. So guys, this is Mürren. It's nice. Hey mga palangga, we are going down now. We had a very nice lunch up in Mürren. And then we are heading back down now to Gimmelwald to ride the cable car again down to Lauterbrunnen. It was a really nice hike for us, but because we are not used to it, we are struggling a bit to go up. Instead of 45 minutes, we take it longer. But it was very fulfilling for us to reach on the top and had a very nice lunch with a very nice view. So yeah, this is our trip to Mürren, our hike to Mürren. It's really worth it, and you can have a lot of stops also because of a very nice view. So thank you for watching. Bye.